Phoenix is standby for dispatch, and the Rough Symphony Stormtrooper 4-speed in between runners together with Dynamic Love, then followed over by running in third now is Leon Face, and trailing the group My Sweet Leonora. About to pass the last 900, 4-speed, running on the outside, Dynamic Love. Leon Face, the favorite, racing in third, Symphony. Then comes entry number 6, number 5, Stormtrooper and My Sweet Leonora. Heading towards the last 600. 4-speed this time by a length and a half. Dynamic Love fading out is Leon Face, moving up Symphony as they race to the last 450 with 4-speed leading the field. Dynamic Love, Symphony moving up on the outside, but 4-speed still leading the field. Symphony now in second, and by the rail Leon Face, Dynamic Love, 4-speed, Symphony moving up on the outside, throwing a challenge and almost catching the lead with the last 50. Now Symphony takes up the running and winning race number 1 over 4-speed. Dynamic Love, My Sweet Leonora, Stormtrooper, and Leon Face. The favorite comes in last.